Welcome back to ChapterCast, your go-to for fun, fast, and focused ABA chapter reviews. Today, we're unlocking Chapter 8, Reversal and Multi-Element Designs, two powerful tools for testing whether your intervention really works. Let's get nerdy with behavior change. Before we dive in, quick reality check. Correlation does not equal causation. A trend may look promising, but only actual experimental control tells us if it caused the change. Reversal and multi-element designs help us do just that. Reversal means the classic ABAB. It involves A for baseline, B for intervention, A for return to baseline, and B for reintroducing the intervention. If behavior changes systematically with phases, up when B, down when A, you've shown control. Think of teaching Rachel to sit quietly. If she sits more during intervention, less when withdrawn, and more again on reintroduction, that's your proof it works. The pros? Strong demonstration of functional control. But there are some cons. It can be unethical if the behavior regression is harmful, and sometimes behavior might not reverse. So irreversibility is a risk. Here, you're comparing several interventions rapidly, training A and B on different days or sessions. Because it's quick, it's great when withdrawal isn't possible, or you need fast comparison. For example, you might compare joke reinforced versus edible reinforced responding in the same session to see which increases compliance faster. The pros? It's efficient, and no return to baseline is needed. The cons? There's a risk of instability due to overlapping effects, and it can be confusing if interventions interact. Alright, so regardless of the design you choose, you want to make sure you have clear baselines and intervention phases. It's also really important to have stable data before making any changes. Don't forget to do a visual analysis of your graphs and keep things consistent across conditions. Reliable application is absolutely essential for credibility. Now, let's talk about when to use each design. Reversal design is ideal for reversible behaviors, like, for example, if you're trying to increase hand raising. On the other hand, multi-element design is best when you need a fast comparison, and reversal just isn't possible, like when you're teaching self-help skills at the same time. So, always choose based on ethics, feasibility, and the specific characteristics of the behavior. To recap, reversal designs give you a really strong demonstration, but they might be unethical or just not practical in some situations. Multi-element designs are fast and flexible, but you do need to watch out for possible confounds. If this chapter review leveled up your understanding, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and drop your next chapter request in the comments. Let's keep building your ABA mastery, one chapter at a time.